Hello listeners, welcome to today's episode. We're diving deep into the world of America's most famous fast food chains. From the very first burger stands to today's billion-dollar global franchises, there's more behind your favorite fries and burgers than meets the eye. Fast food might seem simple, quick, convenient, and tasty. But in reality, it's a carefully crafted mix of innovation, marketing genius, and secrets you probably never knew. The story begins in the 1920s. The first fast food chain in America is widely considered White Castle, founded in 1921 in Wichita, Kansas. White Castle introduced small square hamburgers called sliders, sold for just 5 cents each. Their goal, fast, cheap, and consistent food. In the 1940s and 1950s, the McDonald brothers revolutionized the industry. McDonald's speedy service system applied assembly line cooking, pre-portioned ingredients, and precise timing. Other chains like In-N-Out Burger focused on fresh ingredients. By the 1960s and 1970s, fast food became part of American culture. McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's used television to reach children and families. Mascots, jingles, and toys created lifelong brand loyalty. The Happy Meal, introduced in 1979, became iconic. Marketing secrets were key. Red and yellow colors were chosen to stimulate appetite and convey speed. The smell of fries was deliberately pumped near restaurants to lure people inside. Every mascot, packaging, and ad campaign was carefully designed to build brand addiction. The 1980s and 1990s brought both growth and scrutiny. Obesity and health concerns became major topics. Prices increased. A McDonald's S burger went from $0.50 in the 1970s to $1.2 in the 1980s, while fries and shakes also rose. Chains relied on frozen beef, fillers, additives, and preservatives to cut costs and increase shelf life. The real secrets behind fast food. 1. Flavor engineering, Bliss Point. Food scientists design burgers, fries, and drinks to hit the perfect balance of salt, sugar, and fat to make them irresistible. 2. Hidden ingredients. Many chains use processed beef, additives, and flavor enhancers. Examples include pink slime or oils with chemical treatments to mimic flavor. 3. Smells and atmosphere. Restaurants pump fry aromas outside to attract customers. Music and lighting are designed to affect how fast you eat. 4. Portion tricks. Packaging and plate size make portions feel larger, encouraging combo purchases. 5. Marketing to kids. Happy Meals, mascots, and playgrounds ensure brand loyalty from an early age. 6. Regional taste tweaks. Recipes are slightly adjusted by location to maximize local appeal while maintaining the brand identity. Scandals and hidden truths. In the 1990s, some chains used ammonia-treated beef to reduce bacteria in processed meat. A single combo meal often contains more sugar, fat, and sodium than a daily recommended intake. But marketing emphasizes fresh or healthy options. Secret sauces and seasoning recipes are fiercely guarded to keep customers coming back. Today, fast food blends tradition and innovation. Menus include plant-based burgers, salads, and gluten-free options. Average meal prices now range from $10 to $15 depending on location. Marketing focuses on freshness and quality, but mass production and additives remain part of the business model. Modern marketing secrets. Limited time items increase urgency and impulse purchases. Music, lighting, and restaurant layout influence eating speed and spending. Social media and influencer campaigns amplify brand image and attract younger audiences. Even globally, recipes are tweaked to match local tastes while staying recognizable, so your favorite burger isn't exactly the same in every city. So, what's the takeaway? American fast food is more than burgers and fries. It's a combination of history, innovation, psychology, and hidden strategies designed to make you crave it, enjoy it, and keep returning. The next time you enjoy a fast food meal, remember, behind every bite, There's a story, a secret, and decades of careful planning. Fast food isn't just fast, it's engineered to be unforgettable. Major American fast food brands, and their founding years: Burgers and Sandwiches, White Castle, 1921, McDonald's, 1940, In-N-Out Burger, 1948, Burger King, 1954, Wendy, 1969, Sonic Drive-In, 1953, Jack in the Box, 1951, Carl S. Jr., Hardy, 1941, 1960, Checkers, Rally, 1986, 1985, Five Guys, 1986, Shake Shack, 2004, Chicken and Poultry, KFC, 1952, Popeyes, 1972, Chick-fil-A, 1946, As Dwarf Grill, 1967, As Chick-fil-A Church as Chicken, 1952, Bojangles, 1977, Pizza, Chains, Domino's Pizza, 1960, Pizza Hut, 1958, Little Caesars, 1959, Papa John's, 1984, Mexican, Tex-Mex, Taco, Bell, 1962, Del Taco, 1964, Chipotle, 1993, Sub and Sandwich, Chains, Subway, TNA Jimmy John, ST983, Quiznos, 1981, Coffee Inn, Snacks, Jan Duncan, 1950, Starbucks, 71, Tim Hortons, 1964, Ice, Cream and Desserts, Dairy Queen, 1940, Baskin-Robbins, 1945.